Welcome to Shiny's Kitchen. Today I am going to make green lentils with egg stir fry. Ingredient for it is green lentils which have been chopped 250 gram, 1 green chilli chopped, turmeric half teaspoon, 1 onion chopped, mustard half teaspoon, salt half to 1 teaspoon, 2 egg, beaten egg and 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, now let's do the preparation. First on the gas, put a pan. Add oil, any vegetable oil you can add, like 1 tablespoon. There is some water, it's getting dry. Okay, now the pan is dry, we'll put the oil. Okay. Add the mustard. The oil is hot. Once it pops up, you can add the chopped onion. Just saute it. To make the onion a little more transparent, you can add the salt. Okay, I added some green chilies as well as the turmeric. Keep it in a low flame and stir it well. Then you can increase to little medium. Then make a gap in between the onion to pour the egg and keep it in a low flame. Just allow the egg to cook. You can just slowly mix it. Keep the flame little medium to high. The egg is getting scrambled slowly. Make it little low. You can see the onion all is in the, it's at the edge and the egg is in the middle. Once you feel it's getting little scrambled, you can mix it all. You can pour some more like oil, like another half tablespoon oil. Again mix it. To this we will add the green fresh lentils. Just mix it well. You can put like half tablespoon of water and we will again mix it all, and in the low to medium flame we will close the pan and allow it to cook. Now the fresh green lentils egg stir fry is being cooked like 5 to 10 minutes. You can have it with hot rice, kupus, chapati, Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and for more notification click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.